Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find events on the MangaTOON application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Mine section on the lower right corner of the screen, and here go to the Events button next to the Contribute icon on the Creative Center section, and here you can find different events. For example, my revenge topic contribution wanted, fanfic guide, and more events. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.